Prepositions are words that link nouns, pronouns, and phrases to other words in a sentence. When combined with nouns, prepositions show the relationship between ideas. This lesson focuses on common patterns where nouns pair with prepositions such as reason for, solution to, and difference between. Understanding these pairs helps you form clear and correct sentences. The phrase reason for is used to explain the cause or purpose of something. For example, you might say, the reason for the meeting is to discuss the project. This pattern connects the noun reason with the preposition for to show why something happens. Practicing this structure will improve your ability to explain causes in English. The phrase solution to refers to a way to solve a problem or difficulty. For instance, you could say, we found a solution to the issue. Here, solution is linked with the preposition to, which shows what the solution is directed at. Using this phrase correctly helps you talk about solving problems clearly. The expression difference between is used to compare two or more things, showing how they are not the same. An example sentence is, the difference between tea and coffee is the taste. This pattern uses the noun difference with the preposition between to highlight comparisons. It is useful when discussing distinctions in English. Here are some examples with reason for. You can say, the reason for the delay was the traffic jam, or there is no reason for worry in this situation. Another example is, the main reason for success is hard work. Notice how reason pairs naturally with for to explain causes. Examples with solution to include sentences like, the solution to the problem is clear. Another example is, finding a perfect solution to traffic issues requires effort. You could also say, simple solutions to poverty can make a big difference. These sentences help you see how solution works with to in context. To practice difference between, try sentences such as, the difference between cats and dogs is their behavior. Another example is, the difference between tea and coffee is taste. You might also say, understanding the difference between need and want is important. These examples show how difference connects with between to compare things. Using noun and preposition patterns like reason for, solution to, and difference between makes your English clearer and more precise. Practice these patterns regularly with examples and real situations. Knowing how to connect nouns with the right prepositions will improve your communication and help you express ideas smoothly and correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.